National bird, guys. Hello guys, namaskara, welcome to What's Up Tanuka and welcome to a new video. So today, by the title of the video, you already know that I am going to Bannerghatta National Park. Now since I came to Bangalore, I've heard a lot about this place but never really got a chance to go there. So today it's a bright sunny day and I thought why not go today. But before that, I'm really hungry. It's almost 1 o'clock right now. So I'm going to have some lunch. And for lunch, I've come to Meghna Foods to have some delicious biryani. So once we have our food, Pet Puja is done and then we'll go out. So come along. Bannerghatta Biological Park, Bangalore. From Meghna Foods where we were having lunch, it literally took us only 40 minutes to reach this Bannerghatta National Park. It was that close. So if you're making a plan for one day to go somewhere in Bangalore, not in Bangalore, a little outside of Bangalore, this is the perfect place. Also, if you have a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler, you have parking here. So we had a two-wheeler and the price was only 30 rupees for parking. It's very nominal. But if you don't have your own vehicle or your own car, bike, anything, you also have a lot of buses coming here. You have some packages from the government as well that takes you here. So you can definitely avail those as well. This is the safari entry. You have your ticket counter right there. And if you have online tickets, you can also book tickets from there. But this is our safari entry. We have booked it online. I'll give you the details very soon. Okay guys, so you can see I booked my tickets online. So if you also don't want to wait in line for a very long time, please book your tickets online. You can just go to bannerghattabiopark.org and from there you can book the tickets. You can book the safari ticket as well as the zoo ticket from there. Also, if you're carrying any video cameras or anything, you can add that to the ticket as well. So these are the waiting areas for the AC bus safari and the non-AC bus safari. So from there you come in line, and this is the line as you can see, and I am in the non-AC bus safari line right now. If you take a jeep, you do not have to wait in line, but just look at the crowd. I don't know if you can see, there's a deer right here. Oh, you can see. There's deer right here. Okay, so we have a bear right here. Oh, this is a wild bear that we have. This is a smaller one. It's a little bear. It's playing with a log of wood. so we are entering this gate. This is a protected area. We just entered the gate, so that means that this is an area where we'll see some more wild animals, probably tigers, lions. So this is a separate area for them. This is a little more protected than the other area that we were in just now. And so guys, we have a pond here and we have elephants right here. Oh my god, see, this is the pond that we have. And the elephants are probably here to drink some water on a sunny day. Maybe bathe. Oh wow, it's a herd of elephants. It's a bright sunny day. Are you guys having fun here? I'm really having so much fun. Guys, we have finally seen tigers. Oh my god. Just look at them. Majestic. I don't know if you can hear the roar. Guys, we just see a lion lying here right outside the bus window. Oh my god, it's so close. Can you see this? It's so close. It's just right outside the bus window. Oh my. Okay guys, so we are just done with the safari. It was really good. It was a quick safari. It just took us maybe 25 to 30 minutes. That's it. But we are now going to the butterfly park. That is also booked online. Along with the safari, actually I booked the butterfly park tickets as well. It was just 50 rupees each. So now yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so this is the butterfly park gate, and you will always see people taking a lot of photos in front of this gate because this is really beautiful. And this is the entrance. The bus dropped us right there near that tree, and we walked towards the gate here. So we are entering now. We'll have to show our tickets here somewhere and then we can enter. This is the ticket counter. If you have not booked your tickets, you can book it from here. Okay guys, so walking in the butterfly park now. It's filled with trees, it's greenery everywhere, and even the temperature also seems to be a little lower here. It's actually cool because of all the trees here. Oh, it's really nice. You should definitely come here at least once. This is the entrance of the butterfly park, and we will enter now. Do not pluck flowers. Fish here, guys. Oh wow. just came out of the butterfly park. It was definitely worth it. I did not spend too much time inside the park because I have to also go to the zoo. Again, the tickets are booked. Be smart like me, book the tickets online, don't stand in the ticket queue. So yeah, just got out. I don't know where exactly the zoo is. I'm going to walk till outside from right where we entered, and then we're going to figure out where the zoo is. So yeah. Oh my god, have you ever seen a monkey drink Nimbus? Oh, I was sitting right there and he came at me and he made me get up, and now he is very happily drinking Nimbus. So guys, you enter from there, and this was the place where we were standing for the safari line, and just opposite of that we have the zoo entry right here. So we are going to go to the zoo now. The rain is a little less. It's not completely stopped, but it's a little less. Now I thought that I'm going to take these battery operated cars, but let me show you the ticket counter. It's very crowded. I'm not going to take that chance. We are just going to go in now. Okay guys, so as soon as I entered, I found my friends right here. Guys, if you're coming here, do the safari first, because the safari closes at 4:30, which means the last ticket would be given by 3:45 or 4 at the most. But the zoo stays open for very long. It is let me say, it's almost 6 right now and the zoo is still open. I'm still inside the zoo, so make sure you go to the safari first and then you come to the butterfly park and then the zoo. Guys, my spirit animal just lazily lying around water doing nothing. Guys, you also have option of boating right here. If you want to do boating, you can go and collect your tickets from inside. I'm not doing boating today. Guys, my most favorite animal of all, the majestic elephant. Just resting here for a little bit. We are almost done with the tour of this zoo. Now when you come here, make sure that you wear something very, very comfortable, because it's going to take you a lot of time, almost 2.5 to 3 hours to complete the whole tour, including the safari, butterfly park, and then the zoo if you want to do boating. So it's going to take 3 hours minimum. So wear something very, very comfortable, and also take some time in your hands when you come here, because we do not really have to wait in line in the ticket counters. But when we were going to the safari, we had to wait there for almost 25 to 30 minutes before we got into the bus. We were waiting for the bus to come. So just take some time in your hands when you come here. Make sure you do not have any other work just after that. You're going to be exhausted, I can tell that, because I'm exhausted right now. It's almost now 6:10, and many of the animal cages are closed because they have taken the animals for feeding. So yeah, we'll get out now. Okay guys, so I'm here at the parking zone now, and there at the back you see that green thing right there. That is the entrance of the botanical zoo. So yes, so that was the end of today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Please share this video with your friends. Do comment if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to What's Up Tanuka. See you on the next one. Bye.